This is the shear stress calculator for direct and torsional applications, which calculates shear stress in materials under applied forces. Let's look at the input fields. First, select your unit system from the drop-down menu. You can choose between metric with newtons, square millimeters, and megapascals, or imperial with pounds force, square inches, and psi. I'm using metric for this demonstration. Next, enter your applied force in newtons, then input your shear area in square millimeters. Finally, there's an optional field for allowable shear stress in megapascals, which enables factor of safety calculations. For our example, I'll enter 10 newtons for applied force, 10 square millimeters for shear area, and 10 megapascals for allowable shear stress. After clicking Calculate Shear Stress, we get our results. The shear stress tau equals 1,000 megapascals, calculated by dividing force by area. The factor of safety is 10.0, which means our allowable stress is 10 times higher than the actual stress. Since this is well above 2.0, our design is safe. If the factor had been below 2.0, we'd see a warning message recommending increased material strength or reduced loads. This calculator helps ensure your designs meet safety requirements. Find the link in the description below.